I saw this experiment on YouTube one time and I didn't believe it. So I happened to have a chance here today to try it. An old amplifier that's broken and an old speaker. So all I've done is connect one speaker to the other speaker. There's no electrical input whatsoever. No plugs, no batteries. And by tapping this one, I can make the other one dance. I did notice that because of the shape of that speaker and this speaker, if I switch these, it just works a lot better. Same concept because it goes either way. Oh, but look, it doesn't work. How funny is that? I noticed this by accident as I was wrapping up and I thought, well, why is it not? Oh, of course it's not working because it became disconnected. Look at that. That's evidence the table is not doing the shaking. So all I'm going to do here is put these back together and try it again. I can turn this thing on and off. There's a switch right here. Disconnect the switch. The circuit is broken. Nothing. Okay, this time I've got the this speaker way over here, and we're gonna see if we can knock that glass rock off by tapping here. Ready? The motion of the magnet induces an electrical current by repeatedly making and breaking a magnetic field. Which means that a microphone works the exact same way as a speaker, except in reverse. So this speaker is being used as a microphone, converting its vibrating magnets into an electrical signal. And this speaker converts the electrical signal back into vibrations. Wait a minute. Rock, washer, metal sphere? You call this an experiment? Controlled scientific experiment can only measure one variable at a time. If more than one variable is manipulated, it is impossible to say for certain which caused the end result, and the experiment is invalidated. In other words, I need to choose one type of jumper and not change it throughout the experiment. After trying the different objects, I think the sphere inside of the washer has the best reaction to the vibrations. A working hypothesis is that a higher drop with the ball will cause a higher jump on the other speaker. I think because the greater vibration will have a greater impact on changing the magnetic field. In other words, more energy at the input equals more energy at the output. If I could just hit the middle. Does the evidence support my hypothesis that a higher drop will cause a higher jump?
The proof is in the pudding, don't you think, huh?
Pudding, you say?
Looks like we have the beginning of a good science fair project. Now I need to retest the experiments to make sure they are repeatable and therefore valid. I should build a device that will drop the ball accurately every time. And I need to buy a trifold, which is available at various stores. And finally put it all together in an impressive project for the judges. I hope that this experiment shows that I genuinely did not know how the speaker-to-speaker experiment worked, and that through trial and error that I was able to figure out essentially how it worked along with some research, and then turn it into what I think will be a really cool science fair project. So hopefully this encourages you to research your own fun experiments, to redo them, to retest them, and then come to your own conclusion. Have fun.